Till now on our channel, we've unboxed variety of home theaters and soundbars, 5.1 channel, 7.1 channel, wired home theaters, wireless home theaters. But what I'm about to show in this video is gonna blow your mind. This is the very first wireless dual subwoofer home theater system. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been like 4 or 5 days I haven't posted any video, right? I was actually traveling and now I'm finally back to work and there is like mad level of work pending for me guys. Lots of items to unbox. You people will be getting to see all of that in this video. Anyhow, as I've told you during the intro, we have a very special home theater right now. So this one is from Zebronics. They've finally launched their all new Jukebar 9550 dual wireless subwoofer home theater system guys, and they've been teasing this a lot on their social media lately and now we finally have it in the house. Main speciality is it's a 5.2 channel wireless home theater system. That means along with your soundbar, wireless satellite speakers, you're also getting two wireless powerful subwoofers as well. Whole thing can produce around like 625 watts of RMS output and subwoofers alone can produce like 250 watts of output guys. I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our new home theater from Zebronics came in this sort of box packaging, very massive packaging. I couldn't do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. As soon as you open it, there you go boys, a brand new Jukebar 9550 Pro Dolby 5.2 channel soundbar. Oh wow, look at the whole finishing over here, beautiful look and feel. Comes in this piano black glossy paint job and also has Dolby audio logo on the front. So on board you're getting 3 drivers and the soundbar alone can produce around 225 watts of output. Keeping the soundbar aside, these are your satellite speakers and best part is they're wireless satellite speakers, so no connection between the soundbar and satellite speakers. Similar design guys in a two-tone finishing, piano black glossy finish on the body and metal grill on the front. And out of these, one is a active unit and the other one is a passive unit. Active unit only you'll need to connect the DC power adapter and this one is your adapter for the satellite speakers. Only one for both the units. You do have some accessories included which include some wall mount installation clamps. Very easy to wall mount the soundbar system. Plus you're also getting some installation screws, stickers, some paperwork, user manual. Just make sure to read these for all the details. Lastly, you're also getting some free cables as well. A 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable is included plus a free HDMI cable is also there. And this is your remote for the soundbar guys. Very similar remote that you would see on most of the Jukebar. Plenty of useful buttons are there. Couple of audio modes are there. EQ options are also there. Plus RGB lighting control is also included this time for the new model soundbar. Lastly, let's finally check out the subwoofers I was talking about. Package includes dual subwoofers and both of them are wireless subwoofer units. I mean, look at these massive woofer driver units guys. Oh boy, each unit weighs around like 4.2 kgs and is massive in size. You're getting a 6.5 inch driver unit on the right side profile on both the units and can produce like crazy mad sound. You'll get to see all of that in this video. So guys, our home theater setup is completely done and as you can see, I have connected this Zebronics soundbar plus subwoofer to my TV via HDMI ARC. Apart from that, it has multiple connectivity options. I'll leave that up to you. It has Bluetooth wireless connectivity option, aux support is there, USB pen drive option is there, HDMI as I've told you, plus digital optical in is also there. But to get best possible results including support for Dolby audio, I would advise you to connect it to your TV via HDMI ARC only. So first of all, let me give you a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality part. Starting off with the soundbar. Zebronics Jukebar 9550 Pro Dolby 5.2 has a beautiful look and feel guys. I mean definitely looks quite premium for the price point. You're getting a two-tone design over here. The entire front area is covered in a metal grill and has the drivers behind the grill plus a lot of included features as well. And coming to the top and side area, this is entirely made of polycarbonate and has a beautiful piano black finishing. It definitely looks quite premium but slightly difficult maintenance because it attracts a bit of dust and fingerprints easily, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. Coming to the front profile, you have the Zebronics logo on the left side and a beautiful Dolby audio logo on the right side, and at the center this is where you have a tiny white LED status display guys. It shows you a lot of information like the current mode that you're using it in, volume up and down, and also maybe any sort of EQ settings and plenty of stuff. But main highlight is this soundbar actually has RGB lighting on it. So this is actually something new in soundbars. You're getting beautiful LED light strips on the left and right corner profile of the soundbar, and it is also fully customizable. You can change the lighting effects, you can actually change the color of the lighting, and everything can be done from the remote control itself. It's actually very subtle and looks quite beautiful on this soundbar. Again, you do have an option to turn off the lighting in case if you're like an all black fan. I really wish they gave the same option for the status LED display also. Usually Zebronic soundbars have an option to turn off the display, but on this particular model it is not there. The 9550 has slightly different sort of controls, guys. A special multi-function knob is present on the right side of the soundbar, and this only can be used to adjust the volume or maybe change the input source select and couple of other stuff. It actually has a geared sort of movement. You simply need to twist it left or right to adjust the volume directly from here, and simply click on that to power it on or maybe change the input source select mode. And at the back profile of the soundbar, this is where you've got all the connectivity ports. Let me give you a closer look and show you all of the available ports on this model. There's an aux port available, one digital optical in, HDMI in port is also there. Yes, it supports ARC, and one USB port for some pen drives or external devices. Placement of the ports could have been slightly better, because if you wall mount the soundbar right, you cannot access that USB port. So that was basically about the soundbar, and moving on, let me also show you how the subwoofer looks like. You're getting dual subwoofers in this system. Each of them is a massive subwoofer unit, and look at the whole design, guys. Looks solid, I would say. You're getting a very premium look and feel. Entire enclosure is made of MDF wooden material and has a solid and durable build quality, guys. You have the Zebronics logo at the top side, and a passive tuned bass reflex port is there just below that. And to the left profile, this is where you have the main woofer driver unit. You're getting a 6.5-inch large woofer driver unit on each of the subwoofers, and it can produce like crazy bass, guys. We'll anyhow come there and talk about that in a moment. But out of these two, keep in mind that one of them is an active subwoofer and the other one is a passive subwoofer. That means only one of them has built-in amplifier, and the other one you'll need to connect it to the active unit. Now moving on, here's how the satellite speakers look like. Even these are wireless satellite speaker units. There is no connection between the satellite speakers to the actual soundbar, guys. You simply need to connect the power adapter into your power socket at your home, and that's it. They'll automatically sync and connect. Similar design you're getting just like the soundbar, two-tone finishing. Front grille is covered in a metallic sort of finish, while the remaining body has a beautiful piano black glossy finishing. So that was about the design and build quality part, and we're also done with the connectivity and setup part, right? So let me just quickly open up YouTube, maybe some other OTT platforms, play some content over here, just listen to this audio demo, guys, and after that I'll be back to talk about my experience with the sound quality and all the other 3D surround sound effects and all of that. India-Pakistan match was happening. How could I miss it? Whole day I sat at my home and saw the match, and yeah, such a good game, such a heated session it was, right? And congrats to our team India for winning. Match was good, but my experience was not that great because I was seeing it on my TV. Now imagine if we saw the same thing on a 150 or 200 inches projector. That would be epic, right? Like totally next level stuff. At some or the other point, everybody would like to have a projector for the same reason, right? For these sort of special occasions at their home. So before I say anything about the audio quality or audio experience, first of all, let me give you a closer look and talk about the driver configuration. Jukebar 9550 is a 5.2 channel Pro Dolby home theater system, and the soundbar alone can produce around 225 watts of output, guys. It basically has 3 drivers on board. Each of them can produce around 75 watts, and they're basically like a 3.54 inch by 2.28 inch size size drivers, and you're getting 3 front firing drivers only, no top firing drivers, I'd say. But anyways, as I've told you, entirely it can produce around 225 watts. And coming to subwoofers, each subwoofer has a 6.5-inch large woofer driver unit, and they're capable of producing 125 watts of output each. So totally subwoofers can produce 250 watts of output. And lastly, coming to the satellite speakers, even these also feature the same driver units found in the soundbar, guys. One driver unit in each of them can produce around 75 watts. So totally combined, you're getting 150 watts of rear surround output. So total combined output you can expect in this home theater system is around 625 watts of RMS output, which is like crazy for home purpose. And I've played and listened to variety of music videos and also OTT related content on this home theater system at my place for the last couple of days, and audio quality was really good for this price point, guys. No, I'm not exaggerating. You people heard the demo, right? You can literally feel the sound. I'm not sure what you're hearing or what you're seeing in the video, but you'll have to actually listen to the sound in person, guys. There's good amount of detail, vocal clarity is nice. Initially I was a bit skeptical because you're getting two powerful subwoofers. Will they actually overpower the vocal sound or maybe like dialogues? But nothing like that. Dialogues are crisp and clear. And I've watched variety of movies, as I've told you guys, some OTT related content on Amazon Prime Video, Netflix as well, and had a good time. One more thing I forgot to mention is about the speaker placement. Usually people are confused where to place the subwoofers, and especially here you're having like dual subwoofer setup, right? And you can actually have a look at my setup configuration for this test demo in this video. So soundbar is definitely quite a bit lengthy. It's around like 3.1 3.2 feet in length, and it was easily fitting in between the TV leg stands. As you can see, TV is like a 55-inch TV variant, guys, so easily it will match with your TV. If you have like 43 inches, it might be a bit difficult. You'll need to wall mount it. That would be better suggestion. And coming to the subwoofer, since you're getting dual subwoofers over here, placement of the subwoofer units is also very important to get best possible optimal sort of experience, guys. So this is how I have actually placed it, because you're getting driver units to the right side of the subwoofer, right? So I would advise you to place it something like this, one on top of the other, because both of them were actually working in synchronous, in harmony. They were actually acting like a one large subwoofer unit and were producing powerful bass. You can even place them one on the left and one on the right side of the TV also, with the subwoofer driver units faced towards you. That option was also very nice. And obviously I don't have an option to place the subwoofers on the floor right now in this video, but I would advise you to place them on the floor beside the TV left and right. But do not place them one on the front and one at the back directly facing, drivers facing each other, because phase cancellation will happen and you will not get good results, guys. So these are my advices that I would give to get best possible audio results. The overall frequency response range of this system is around like 40 Hz to 20 kHz, and treble response was also nice. It was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness. And coming to the low frequency response, this is the main highlight, guys. You're getting dual subwoofers, each of them producing around 125 watts with a 6.5-inch driver unit, and bass was crazy over here. It was producing solid low frequency response with that powerful thump. And especially when you're watching movie scenes where there's a lot of gun firings, bomb blastings, or helicopter flying shots, action scenes basically in movies, right? You will have lot of fun on this system. So out of the box experience, I felt bass was slightly overpowering, so I had to slightly reduce the bass response from the remote to -2, -3, and then it was actually like very much in balance with the entire system, guys. Otherwise, because you're getting like two powerful subwoofers, right, it was slightly overpowering. Again, if you are like a bass fanatic, a lot of people usually like bass only, right? For you people that might be perfect, but me being like an audiophile and I love studio quality sound, right, for me it was slightly a bit high. But again, easily you can tune the EQ using the remote, so not an issue at all. You can easily customize the audio as per your preference and choice, so that is definitely a plus point. Overall audio quality and audio experience was very good. Minimum distortion as well, even if you go up to like 75-80% volume, and audio output was also very loud. I couldn't go beyond like 60% volume level because the kind of bass and low frequency response it was producing, right, things were rattling at my place, especially if you have like glass chambers or maybe like wooden things at your home, right? They were actually shaking because of the kind of powerful bass the subwoofers were producing. And lastly, coming to the whole how is the whole surround sound experience, obviously obviously you're getting like rear wireless satellite speakers, right? And that too with like a decent 150 watts output. Overall 3D surround sound experience was definitely nice. It only supports Pro Dolby audio, guys, not Dolby Atmos, because there are no top firing speakers over here. Okay, 5.2 experience was good. You will definitely enjoy watching movies on any sort of OTT apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and overall I had like a good experience at my place. See, for the price that you're paying, you'll be definitely happy and satisfied. Well, that's it, our video on Zebronics Jukebar 9550 Pro Dolby 5.2 channel home theater system. Really good home theater, I would say, for the price that you're paying. You're getting a premium look and feel, piano black finishing is there, and also you're getting a complete package. A powerful soundbar is there, rare satellite speakers, that too wireless, plus wireless dual subwoofers. What more can you ask for this price point? Only thing if I had to nitpick is Zebronics should have actually given an option in the remote to turn off the display on the soundbar, especially if you're using this home theater system in maybe like your bedroom, right, in dark environments, or maybe like nighttime situations. There it was slightly distracting, but that option would have been nice. And lastly, I felt Dolby Atmos support could have been nice, but again, as a compensation, you're getting dual powerful subwoofers, right? So that is something unique at this price point. Maybe in future Zebronics will definitely come out with Dolby Atmos dual subwoofer home theater system. Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. Anyways, lastly, coming to the pricing details, this home theater system costs around like 22,999 rupees. I'll leave exact pricing details in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about this product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.